just want my money. I don't know. I just want my money.
Of worries. This I have 4 sons, but all of them are of no use for me because they always used to quarrel with each other. They don't have unity among themselves. Oh my God, I'm an old man having 4 sons but of no use. Oh my God, please forgive me and bless me.
Otherwise, I will kill you.
Yes, Ahmed. What's wrong with you? Why are you calling me so loudly and rashly?
You bloody idiot! You have stolen 1,000 rupees from my wallet. No, you are a cheater.
Are you going mad? Are you in your senses? How dare you to talk to your elder brother like this? Don't you realize that I am elder than you?
Elder brother, I just want my money. I don't know. I just want my money.
Oh my God, what are they doing? Ahmed and Nasir, what happened to both of you? Why are you fighting? Tell me.
Look, father, he has stolen 1,000 rupees from my wallet. I will kill him.
No, father, I don't. He is blaming me.
Yes, you have.
Stop fighting. Oh my God, they're again fighting. Stop fighting. Oh my God, what are you doing? Stop. Ahmed, he's your elder brother. Why did he steal your money? You must respect him and not to speak like this with him. And Nasir, my son pay him his money. If you have stole, and don't do this again. And deal your younger brother with love and affection.
Okay, father, I will try.
Okay, father. Look, Wasim, this is the most precious watch of father. Wow, it's very beautiful and it's look very nice and expensive. After father, it will be mine.
It will be mine. Don't you know? According to rules of the family, this watch will be given to the most eldest son of the family. And no doubt, that is mine.
No, brother, I will change the rule of the family and this watch will be given to the most youngest son of the family. And no doubt, it's me, not your brother.
No, doctor, that is mine.
Don't be so greedy, brother.
Why you people are quarreling and fighting?
Look, father, what is this?
This is the most precious watch of my grandfather.
After you, father, who is the owner of the watch?
According to rules of our family, this watch will be given to you, Ali, because you are the elder son of this family.
No, I will never give this to you. And it's final.
I have told you before this watch will be mine.
No, it's mine.
It will be mine.
Stop fighting. Oh my God, they are again fighting. Stop it. Don't cry, Basim. I will bring you same watch. But for God's sake, please stop fighting.
Sorry, father.
It's not good, my sons. Always choose to quarrel with each other. What impact they are showing to other people. I have to do something to unite them. Oh my God. Idea. Yes, I have an idea. Basim!
Father, are you calling me?
Yes, Basim. Basim, bring me some sticks and tie them with the string tightly.
Father, sticks? But for what?
Basim, don't question me. Just do what I say.
My father, I have bring the sticks.
Very good. Now call out your brother.
Father, is everything fine? Why do you call all of us?
My dear sons, I want to teach you a lesson.
Lesson? Which lesson, father? I can't understand.
Oh yes! I understand. It's a game. Father, am I right?
No, it's not a game, but a very serious thing. All of you take this bundle one by one and try to break it. Ali, first you try. Untie this bundle and distribute one sticks to your brother.
Okay, father.
Now all of you, one by one, break your stick. My dear sons, this is the lesson that I want to teach you all. If you will be unite like these sticks, no one harms and misuses you. But if you quarrel and fight among all of you, people will easily harm and misguide you. So please don't fight again in future, because I am very worried about you.
Father, we are very ashamed that we made you worry by fighting. We all promised together that we will never fight again and live with love and care.
Father, I assure you, I will never fight and will love my brothers.
Father, I promise we will never fight again.
Father, I am youngest of all. I will always respect my brother.
My dear sons, I am expecting this from all of you. So be happy always and have much progress in your life. Unity is strength. Unity